So I've been uploading on Udemy for about 3 years now, and during the span of those 3 years, I managed to actually do every single mistake that a creator can do on Udemy. But despite doing all of these mistakes, I actually managed to scale my profile there to more than 50,000 students and of course thousands of dollars of revenue from Udemy. In this video, I'm going through all of the things that I wish I knew when I was starting out, and I'm also revealing all of the secrets and information that I've actually paid for thousands of dollars in marketing agencies in order for me to know. So to give you a background, in 2021, all of my courses were uploaded on Skillshare, and after watching like a random YouTube video, just like the random YouTube video that you're watching right now, I decided to start cross-uploading my courses from Skillshare to Udemy to just create a new income stream from those courses. And again, those courses were optimized for Skillshare back in the day, so they were short, they were very engaging, and again, I have done no research whatsoever when I was creating those courses. It was just random subjects that I felt like I was ready to teach. So yes, I cross-upload all of my courses from Skillshare to Udemy. I think there were about 3 courses, and in the first month I generated something like $2. Next month I generated something like $5. So something was wrong. I was missing out on something. But honestly, I didn't really care about Udemy back in the day because my main income stream was Skillshare, so I didn't even check the Udemy stats for many months. After checking them again, I think it was like 5 months in which I didn't check the Udemy stats at all, I was making about $20 to $30 per course. So I had this feeling that there is opportunity and there is money to be made on Udemy, but I just didn't know where to start from. I didn't know what I was doing wrong, and I absolutely needed some guidance. By the way, as I was having those thoughts regarding Udemy, I was still cross-uploading all of the courses that I created for Skillshare, again in Udemy. Every time that I created a course, I uploaded it both on Skillshare and Udemy, and this was actually a great decision of mine. So on a random day of November of 2022, I get this completely random email of a Udemy marketing agency reaching out after checking out my courses, and they stated that my courses have very high potential to gain a lot of enrollments, a lot of great reviews, and impact the world. It's just the way that the courses are packed, right? And some very basic parameters that we can tweak in order to skyrocket my revenue and enrollments. So I was immediately hooked by their offer, and on top of that, the payment was very interesting because I would only pay them from the money that I would generate from the enrollments that they would help me get. But that being said, their services were very expensive. So I was like, whatever, I'm willing to sacrifice like $200 per month if I will learn all the secrets that will skyrocket my Udemy revenue and earnings. And that's exactly what I did. For months, I partnered with this marketing agency, and we actually made a huge impact with my Udemy profile. We managed to skyrocket my enrollments, my reviews, my revenue. The strategic approach completely changed regarding my upload strategy on Udemy. But then our roads kind of separated, and after some unfortunate events, I had to stop working with this marketing agency. So this is exactly where this video comes into play. In this video, in the next minutes, I'm going to be revealing to you all of the secrets that I literally paid thousands and thousands of dollars to learn completely for free. So in our first call with this marketing agency, when we changed my strategic approach around my Udemy profile, the first thing that we established is the fact that enrollments and reviews are the #1 decisive factor of a student regarding if he's going to buy your course or not. So your #1 priority if you want to have a successful Udemy profile is to acquire enrollments and reviews. Now you might be like, okay dude, of course I need enrollments and reviews to drive enrollments and reviews, but how am I going to get them in the first place? So there are 2 ways to actually get enrollments and reviews in your courses, and let me show you exactly what those 2 ways are. The first way is to actually wait. So this is exactly what I did, if you remember, in my story. When I cross-uploaded my courses from Skillshare to Udemy, my earnings were very low. I was making like $2, $5 per month. But I waited for months, and gradually some enrollments start kicking in, some reviews started kicking in, and this ball, was kind of gradually rolling. This is a time-consuming process, right? But if you wait long enough, your courses will acquire enrollments and will acquire reviews, and all of this is going to help more enrollments and more reviews, like a snowball effect. Regarding my collaboration with the marketing agency, we implemented a second genius way to drive enrollments and reviews, and this is by generating free coupons for your courses. So on Udemy, each course that you upload, you can actually create 3 free coupons per month, and those free coupons pretty much allow people to enroll to your course for free. So the strategic approach that we would take with the marketing agencies, that we would take those free coupons and we would share them in groups, for example Facebook groups or Reddit groups of people that were interested in the subject that I was teaching in this course, completely for free. So we were literally giving the course away, and now you would be like, why would I give this course away for free? I want to be generating income from this course. I don't want to give it out for free. But again, this is an amazing way to start generating enrollments, start generating reviews, and then your course will be promoted organically by the Udemy algorithm. So again, if you want to speed up the process of gaining enrollments and gaining reviews in your courses, create free coupons and share them with the world, or hire someone, for example, on Fiverr to share those free coupons for you. This works flawlessly. The second secret that I learned through working with this marketing agency was just a matter of 3 clicks and can very much increase your revenue. I think it increased my revenue more than 20%, is to just price your courses at the highest price available, so at $199. Note that when you upload your courses on Udemy and you check this box, which allows Udemy to run promotions and run your courses through their organic traffic acquisition program, they're going to be running huge discounts in the price of your courses. So you might list, for example, your course for $199, but Udemy will sell it for $30, $40, even $15. From one point of view, this kind of sucks because you price your course at $200 and Udemy sells it very, very cheaply. Then again, this generates more enrollments, more reviews, and more income at the end of the day. Me personally, I used to price my courses at $109, and then I changed it up to $199, and I saw a personal revenue increase of more than 20% at the end of each month. So trust me, based on my experience, it is better to price your courses at $199. Now, the next secret that I learned, and this isn't actually that much of a secret, is a known thing. It is that the longer your course, the better. You know, I was a firm believer, and I actually used to advertise in the introductory video of my courses that I pack all of the knowledge in a short amount of time, and this, I would sell this as an asset, if you will, of my courses. That my courses are short, but all of the information is there. But people that buy courses from Udemy have completely different consumer habits. They want to feel like they're getting the most amount of information. So if they see, for example, a 10-hour course, a 12-hour course, just for $10 or $15, they immediately buy. So a huge decisive factor for, again, the customers on Udemy is the length of your course. So if you could, example, create a 10-hour course or a 12-hour course, this would be absolutely amazing. But here's the thing, you don't have to actually create one 10-hour course, all right, to sit in front of your camera and talk for 10 hours. A very cool tip that I actually figured out myself and works amazingly on Udemy is that you can combine many of your courses into a masterclass and upload it as a masterclass on Udemy. To give you an example, I have a course on smartphone videography, Final Cut Pro editing, content creation, and using AI and ChatGPT for content creation. Those are 4 different courses, and those are 4 2-hour courses. But check what I did. I combined all of those 4 2-hour courses and I created one 8-hour-long masterclass. And Udemy actually doesn't have a problem if you upload the same content twice as a different course. So this is something that can be extremely leveraged on this platform, all right? Creating bulk uploading, if you will, courses into one masterclass and selling it separately. Another secret, and if you will, this is a tip that will help you not get banned as you are uploading on Udemy, because a lot of actually creators get banned on Udemy due to stupid reasons, is to not add text, numbers, or logos of popular companies in your thumbnails, right? Udemy doesn't want to have text in the thumbnails. They don't want to have like numbers in the thumbnails, and they don't want logos of companies like, for example, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. They don't want logos of companies in your thumbnails. If you add logos, you will probably get over with it. Like, they won't flag your content, but I have actually gotten a flag due to the fact that I have added logos before in my thumbnails, and every time that I add text or numbers in my logos, I get a flag, right? And if you collect many flags, they might disable your account, which is like the worst thing ever. So again, this is not that big of a secret. Most people know this, but please don't use text, numbers, or logos in your Udemy thumbnails. And ladies and gentlemen, the final tip that I have to give you, and this is again very, very important, is that you need to search engine optimize your titles, your descriptions, and your tags of your courses. The way that we profit as course creators from Udemy is that we don't need to spend a single dime on advertising our courses. All of the enrollments, all of the reviews, and all of the money that we generate come from Udemy's organic search engine that promotes our courses throughout their ecosystem. But in order for our courses to be promoted correctly, they need to be search engine optimized, right? And there are two ways to search engine optimize your courses. The first one is to use ChatGPT to search engine optimize your courses using an amazing prompt list that I have created especially for course creators, which you can find in the description. So again, you just copy the prompts from the prompt list, you paste them in ChatGPT, and you automatically search engine optimize your course. And the second way is to just hire a professional that knows everything regarding search engine optimization. It might be kind of expensive, but at the end of the day, trust me, you will be making your money back from Udemy revenue. If you're serious about this online course creation process and you want an expert to guide you in every single step of this process, I advise you to click on the first link in the description, and I will personally have a one-on-one call with you to help you scale your online course business to the max. So thank you very much, and I'm going to see you in the next video.